Hi, magandang araw po sa inyo. I'm Pastor Alfred Lumol, while beside me is Pastora Nats Lucas. We are from Jesus Never Fail International Christian Ministries. Kami po ay nag-video sa araw nito na nais po namin pasalamat po sa inyo for watching us and giving us a couple of your time. Thank you so much for watching us again and again. We believe that God has a purpose why He allowed na mapanood niyo po kami sa oras na ito. This time we would like to share to you na kami ay bilang isang church ay dumadaan din lahat ng uri ng pagsubok. This time we are passing financial difficulty. Ika nga ang tawag po namin ay yung deficit, no? Yung mas malaki pa yung gastos kaysa doon sa pumapasok. The expense is really more than the income. So right now, we're quite suffering from this financial problem. Kaya nga po, kami po ay naglakas loob na lumapit po sa inyo, baka maging daan po kayo upang kayo po ay maging blessing po sa church, no? Hindi ko na po pagkakabaan. Isa sa mga malaking dahilan kung bakit po rin kami dumadaan sa pagsubok na ito dahil mas marami ang umating sa amin, ang youth, at at the same time, kaunti na po ang mga professionals. So, dahil ganun po yung porsyento umating sa amin, hindi po na papantayan yung expense. And at the same time, we have so many plans in this church na gusto po namin patuloy itong lumago. So, right now, we would like to ask your help sa pamamagitan po ng pagbibigay ng anumang halaga na inyong makakayanan na galing po sa inyong puso. And this time, my co-worker will say something about giving.
Good day to everyone. I just want to encourage you and challenge all of you with this verse in Galatians chapter 6, verses 9 to 10. Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Therefore, as we have opportunity, let us do good to all people, especially to those who belong to the family of believers. And we pray and I believe that when God used you para po tumulong, sumuporta at magbigay sa kanyang mga gawain, it is the Lord who will give you a harvest of blessings sa lahat po ng aspekto ng buhay po ninyo. Kaya marami pong salamat and may your good heart be a blessing more and more para po sa iba. And surely you will be blessed more by becoming a blessing to others. Lalo na po sa mga gawain ng Panginoon.
Truly, your giving will never be in vain because you will give your gifts in the right soil because we believe the church is the right soil. And at ako'y nananampalataya, sabi nga ng Panginoon, I've been saying this sa mga past videos namin, nung itinayo ang church na ito hanggang sa ngayon, ay blessed are those who bless the people of God. Kaya pag pinagpala niyo po ang iglesia ng Panginoon, pinagpala niyo po ang church ng Lord, I believe God will bring it back to you 100-fold or even more than your expectation. Siguro tanong niyo paano niyo papadala. Mag-a-appear po sa screen ninyo yung account number ng mga bangko at ito po pwede nyo hulog sa pinakamalapit na kung sa bangko na kung saan ay komportable po kayong may hulog. Again, with all our heart, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
And God bless you.